Welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign in to your Fiverr account. So first of all, you need to create an account. And after you've created an account, you just need to go in this option that says sign in. If you've created your account through Google, then tap on Google or email, Apple or Facebook. I've done it through Google, so I'm going to just tap on here. Tap on the email. You successfully logged in to your Fiverr account. So guys, that's how you log in to your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.